Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, in the Borobudur International Symposium 2024, let me thank you for this opportunity to present the result of research on vehicle temperature in identification based on vehicle dimensions when vehicles are listed. Next, let me introduction your time. I am Shifa Maratus Soleha, and the wearing team is Mutiara Vinta Andeni, Gustia Ramadhani, Mr. Wawan Purwanto, Mr. Hendra Danesha Putra, and Mr. Muhammad Yasir Setiawan. We are from the Automotive Engineering Department of the Faculty of Engineering, Universitas Negeri Padang. Let's start by introduction, the background and objectivities of the study. Well, in this introduction, there are 5 items that we will discuss. The first one is vehicle cabin. Vehicle cabin play an important role in vehicle design today, and efficient design can improve driver and passenger comfort, fuel efficiency, and safety. Vehicle dimension are a factor in vehicle design that affect comfort and space efficiency of movement and practicality are major consideration in designing vehicle dimensions, especially when in the city and parking. Okay, number 2, vehicle glass dimension. Factor that affect vehicle glass dimension. There is vehicle dimension. Vehicle body design significantly affect the size and shape of the glass. There is vehicle dimension. Vehicle dimension and vehicle body design significantly affect the size and shapes of the glass. Vehicles with aerodynamic design have larger windshield and steeper slopes. Next, safety. Glass dimensions are affected by safety standards, including the ability of the glass to withstand impact and not shatter into sharp fragments. Next, comfort. That glass can improve visibility and create the impressions of more space in the cabin, but need to be balanced with thermal and acoustic insulation. Next, fuel effect. Next, fuel efficiency. Aerodynamic glass design help reduce wind resistance, thus improving fuel efficiency. Next, aesthetic. Aesthetic factor also affect glass design, giving the vehicle a more attraction appearance. Next, number 3, it is their heat transfer. Heat transfer that occurs in the study is radiation. Radiation is process of traversing heat from the object to another without requiring a medium as an intermediary. If radiation hits the surface of a material, then some of the radiation will be reflected, absorbed, and forwarded. Next, number 4, this here air temperature and parking environment. Air temperature is a state of hot or cold air. Air temperature is very influential on vehicles parked under sun. At some point, it will stop for a while or stop long acute to be called parking. A free trip using a vehicle begins and end in the parking lot. Next, number 5. Uh, it's here effect of vehicle temperature on health. Vehicle parking in the sun will experience an increase in cabin temperature due to solar radiation. Increased cabin temperature can damage seat, dashboard, damage steering, and cause thermal discomfort. Toxic gas generated for the evaporation of material in the cabin can raise health risks. The toxic gas produced are carbon monoxide or CO and ammonia. Next, method research design. Uh, Here is a table that show cabin dimension, testing result, and description. In cabin dimension, is there X1 and X2. In testing result, is there I1 and I2. X1 uh, X1 is vehicle with dimension A. H2 is vehicle temperature. Then X2 is vehicle with dimension B. And I1 is vehicle temperature test result with vehicle dimension A. And I2 is vehicle temperature test result with vehicle dimension B. Then for X2 and I2 is test. Then for X2 and I2 for test with vehicle dimension B. Okay, next is the framework for a thing in the study. Starting with then literature study, then preparation of tools, materials, and research object. Then divided into two spheres, vehicle temperature measurement A and vehicle temperature measurement B. Then is the I difference is the temperature of vehicle A and B. After the data is obtained, the data is continued to data analysis, then conclusion, and finally. Okay, next slide. Okay. Here there is a formula to calculate the data collect, where M is mean or average. Then sigma x is number of data. Then n is number of data. Then p is the presence number obtained. And for let n is before treatment, and for small n is after treatment. Then multiply by 100. Okay, next slide. Okay, the way data collection is carried or is the first to part the vehicle, then attach the testing equipment to the vehicle cabin. After the last step is connecting the data that has been collected. Okay. Okay. Next slide. Okay. Next, in the data about cabin temperature, where the data takes in 9 data from a sensor, and the sensor used are 4 sensor with the same time carried on two different vehicles. Okay, okay. Uh, in the result and discussion sales and analyzes the temperature variation observed in different vehicles. The data saw the highest temperature inside the vehicle cabin was recorded in the front cabin, specifically in sensor 1 on the Avanza and sensor 2 on the Innova. Additionally, when comparing the temperature change between the Avanza and Innova models, we found that the Avanza experienced higher temperature increase during spark in the sun. This, this is finding highlight the significant effect of vehicle dimension and design on cabin temperature variation. Next, in data about cabin humidity, where the data taken in 9 data from AC sensor and the sensor used are for wide the some test time carried on out on two different vehicle. Okay, okay next. And in the result and discussion slides, we analyze the humidity variation observed in different vehicle. The data show that the loss humidity inside the vehicle cabin was recorded in the front cabin. So, specifically, specifically at sensor 1 on the Innova and sensor 1 on the Avanza. Okay, and additionally, when comparing the temperature charge between the Avanza and Innova models, we found that the Avanza experienced a lower drop in humidity during parking in the sun. Okay, these findings highlight the significant impact of vehicle dimension and design on variation in cabin humidity. Okay, okay. Next, is the data on carbon monoxide concentration, where the data taken in 9 data with different time on two different vehicles. Okay, next. In the result and discussion section, we analyzes the variation of carbon monoxide concentration. Obtained the high carbon monoxide result in Innovacar in data number 9 as 16 per 20 minutes and obtained the highest carbon monoxide result in Avanza car in data number 7 at 14 per 20 minutes. Okay, next, furthermore, the consolidation is here where there is a temperature difference from the force sensor installed in the cabin of the Avanza and Innova vehicles. In Avanza, the Avenger temperature is range is 15.78 the range uh, degrees Celsius with a percentage of 25 25.25%. While in Innova, the Avenger cabin temperature increase is 9.6 degrees Celsius with a percentage of 24%, with the highest temperature in a vehicle cabin is the fore cabin on sensor 1 and sensor 2. The temperature comparison between Avanza and Innova vehicle is that Avanza vehicles experience a higher temperature it rises when parking in the sun. Next, okay, that's all the research results from you. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.